Okay, so hello everyone. This is part 10 of our Django playlist. In this video, we are going to discuss about Django templates and static files. Okay, so as we already know, Django support, which design pattern support by the Django. So Django supports MVT design pattern, right? So what is M, what is V, and what is T, right? So what is M means? M means here model, right? And model consists of database. Okay, model is nothing but database we can say. And V stand for view. What is view? We can say simply this is what Python file. Okay, and what is T? T is nothing but templates. Okay, so what is template actually? Template is nothing but HTML HTML code we can say. Okay, so in this video we will see how we can deal with templates, means how we can create templates, right? Okay, so what are the steps to create Django project? So let me tell you what are the steps. Okay, so what actually we are going to create here is steps to develop template based application. Okay, we are going to develop template based application. So what is the mean of template based application? Means we will have a separate folder for HTML file in our Django project. Okay, we will see step by step how we can do that, right? So first step, what is the first step? Step one. So what is the step one? Create a project. Okay, create a project. So how we can create a project? How we can create Django project? What is the command? So what I will do, first of all, I will go my drive. Okay, I'll go in D drive folder location. Okay, and here I'll create one new folder. Okay, I'll create a new folder and I'm saying here Django temp. Okay, my folder name is what? Django temp, and I will open this folder. Here I will type CMD. I want to open this location in CMD. That's the reason I'm typing here CMD. Okay, so means our location opened in CMD, D drive, Django temp, right? And what I will do here, I will write command to create the Django project. Okay, create a Django project. So first step is a create a Django project. So the command, okay, first let me clear the screen. Now let me write the command Django admin. What is the command? Write Django admin and after that start project. Django admin start project. And what is the project name? You can write any name. Okay, so what project name I will give? Template project. Okay, what is my project name? Template project, right? So when I press enter, you will see one file will created in respective folder. And I open here, so this folder is created, right? So this is a step in order to create the Django project. Okay, so next, after that, what we do? What is the second step? Step. So step two is create an application. Okay, now we have to create an application in the respective project folder. Okay, so how we create the application? Okay, first of all, let me open this location in VS Code. Okay, so I want to open this folder in VS Code. So how can I open? Code dot. So I will write code and dot. So this location will open in my VS Code, right? And here we can say this is our project. Now, what I will do in order to create the app, first of all, I'll go to in this template project folder. Recently, I am in Django temp folder. So I want to move to the temp folder. See, when I write here dir list directory, when I will check the directory, so you are seeing one folder is what template project. In this folder, I have to move. So what I will do, I will change the directory cd and the folder name. What is the folder name? Temp project. Okay, template project. So I will press enter. Okay, let me clear the screen. CLS. Okay, so what is my location? Template project. So I am in this location. Now what I will do, I'll create the application, Django application. So what is the command? I will write here py manage.py start app. Okay, this is the command. Py manage.py start app. What's the app name? Whatever name you want to give, you can give. So I'm writing here app name is test app. What is my application name? Test app. So this is how we can create application inside the project. First we create the project, and inside the project we create the application. What is the application name? Test app. So we have created our test app application, right? So what is the command to create test app application? This is the command. Okay, let me copy complete location. Once you created the project, after that you should be there in project location. Then only this command will work. Okay. So let me write here. Okay. So, and after that, what is the step third? What is the step three? Step three is, okay, let me increase it a little bit. Okay. So the step three is add app in settings.py. Okay, add app inside what? Inside the settings.py. So which app we are talking about? Recently we have created this test app. Okay, so this test app we have to register in our project. What is our project name? Template project. So inside the template project, you will see one file called settings.py. So let's go here. So this is our newly created app, which is test app. And this app we need to register inside the settings.py. So settings.py available inside the template project folder. Okay, so I'll go to the settings.py, and here, okay, this is the comments only. We can remove this comments. No required. Okay, and here you will see installed app. Okay, so this is what pre-installed app. But this app is created by us, test app. So we will write our application name here. So what is our application name? Test app. We will write single quote, and after that we will write com, right? So this much we will do. Okay, and after that, what is the next step? Okay, after that, what we have to do? We have to create template folder. Step 4. What we have to do? We have to create which folder? Template folder. Why we are creating template folder? So that we can keep our all HTML files in that respective folder, right? So create a folder inside main project folder. Okay, so what we have to do? we have to create a folder inside the main project folder. What is the name of that folder? What is the name of the folder? So our folder name will be templates. Okay, this is the folder we have to create. This is the folder we have to create. So we have to create a template folder inside the main project folder. So let's create, open the VS Code. And which one is our main project? This one is our main project, means on the top level project. Okay, we don't need to create inside this. Okay, this folder containing what? Project configuration. So inside the project configuration folder, we don't need to create template folder. On the top level, means here, first we will click here, and here we will create a template folder. So what I will write here? Templates. Okay, and after that I will press enter. So here I have created templates folder. If you will create this template folder inside another folder, means it will not able to detect your folder. So means your folder should be on proper, or we can say correct location. After that, what we have to do? What is the next step? Okay, now what we have to do, in that template folder, okay, in that template folder, create a separate folder named with test app. Okay, so in this folder, in this template folder, we will create another folder. What's the name of that folder? Test app, right? To hold, and this test app folder to hold that particular application specific template. Okay, so what we have to do actually, we have to create one test app folder inside which, inside the template folder. In that templates folder, we have to create one test app folder. So here is my templates folder. Inside the templates folder, I'll create another folder. What is my folder name? Test app. Okay. And inside this test app folder, what I will do, I'll keep my HTML files. Okay. Now, okay, let's see what is the step 5. Step 5. Add template folder to settings.py file so that Django can aware of our project. Okay, so see, set templates folder created by us. So that's the reason we need to register our template folder, means we have to add this template folder in our settings.py so that Django can recognize our template folder. If Django will not recognize our template folder, means it will not render our HTML file. So that's the reason we have to go to the template project folder. First we will go to the project folder, and inside this we will go to the settings.py, and inside the settings.py you will see one templates. Okay, templates configuration are there. So here we have to give our directory link. Okay, here we have to give directory link. So what's a path of this? Okay, we have to give here path. Which path? We have to give path of this template folder. So if you will see, like, this is the path. Can you see here? D drive Django temp. Then inside this, for example, if I copy path, so it is asking our directory path. Okay, like that. If you will mention this path, what is the problem with this path? Suppose if you will write here hard coded path. Okay, what is the location? D drive. Okay, then Django template, right? D drive and Django template. So what's the problem with this? Suppose in future, if I give my project, if I give my project to my friend, okay, so I have D drive location, but in my friend's computer, there is no D drive. So the error will come. Okay, that's why we cannot write here hard-coded value because it is taking Django template folder location from D drive. But suppose he taken my project and he pastes my project in C drive only, then this path will be wrong in this case. So what we do, we use one alternative way. We will go on top. We will go on top. Okay. And here you will see the base dir. Base dir means this contains, this particular line contains what? This contained our project path. Okay, base dir contain our project path. Okay, so inside the project, what we will say, inside the project, this is what our project. Inside the project, inside the project, we have one folder called template. So we will write in such a way so that we can give the correct path. So basically what we will do here, we will write here base, okay, base dir. What we will write? Base dir slash inside the base dir. Base dir means our project folder. Inside the base dir, we have which folder? Templates folder. So here we will mention inside the base dir, we have which folder? Templates folder. So we will write our folder name in single quote, templates. Make sure you are not doing any spelling mistake, right? And this path, this template folder path, this is what our project path, right, in base dir. So this templates path we will store in a variable. So I'll create a variable. What's the name of the variable? I will assign this path in a variable. My variable name is template dir. Template dir means it's contain the path of my template folder. Okay, this template folder. After that, I will copy this. Okay, I'll copy this template dir and I'll go to the templates location line number 45. Okay, and in line number 48. Okay, means dir. Here I will mention that variable name. What is the variable name? Template dir. Okay, so this is how our project, our Django projects can identify our templates folder. Okay, because we have given path, right? Understand once again, this base dir contains our project level path. Okay, so what we are doing, we are taking project level path and we are saying inside the project we have another folder which is template. Okay, this folder created by us, that's why we are writing like this. Okay, and we will store this inside a folder. What is the folder name? Templates dir. And this template dir we will assign to this dirs. Okay, so that our Django project can understand our newly created template folder, right? Okay, after that what we can do inside this, inside the test app, inside the test app, what we can do, we can create our HTML file. Okay, so what name we can give? Any name we can give to our file. For example, I am giving here index.html. Okay, so I am creating this index.html where inside the templates test tab, here I am creating index.html. And here I will write HTML related code. Okay, so when you press exclamation sign and press tab, it will automatically created one HTML template. Okay, so what I will write here, I will write here h1. This is HTML template by Django. Like that I'm typing. Okay. And I'm taking some random paragraph, lorem 32. Okay. Okay. So it is taking dummy paragraph. Okay. So after that, what we have to do? Now, what we have to do, we have to go to the views.py. Where is views.py? Inside the test tab. When you open the test tab, you will see views.py. So inside the views.py, what we have to do, we have to render our HTML file. Okay, so here render is already imported. So what I will do here, I'll create one function. Okay, I'll create one function, def. Okay, and we can give any name like demo. Okay, demo function. What is my function name? Demo function. And here I will write request colon, and here I will return. What I will return? I will render the HTML template. Okay, I will return what? HTML template. Return means I will render. We render HTML template. So that's the reason we are writing here render. Okay, so here first parameter is what? Request, and the second is what? Our application name, our file name. So our file available inside what? Test tab. Inside the test tab, what we have? Demo.html, right? Our template file folder already understand by the Django project. So that's the reason we don't need to mention here template. Okay, so it is already understanding our location. So what we will type here? Test tab and slash demo.html, right? And after that, once you finish this, what you have to do, you have to go to the urls.py, and urls.py available inside the project folder. So go to the urls.py. Okay, and let me delete these comments. And here what we have to do, basically we will import our test, our views. So from test tab, because inside the test tab we have views. So we will import views, and here we will create one. What we will create? We will create one endpoint here, and we will say demo. Okay, I'm just writing my endpoint name is demo, and here I will write what is my function name. So inside the views, what is my function name? Demo is the function. Demo function I've created now. I've created demo function inside views.py. So you can understand here demo is available inside the views.py, and this is the function is responsible to render our demo HTML file, right? Okay, so after that, what I will do, I will execute my project. I will run my project. So like from here, from VS Code also we can execute our project. So what I will write, py manage.py run server. Okay, so it will, okay, what it is saying. Okay, we are not in the project location, template project. So what we have to write, cd template project. Okay, so we are on correct location now. So what I will write here, py manage.py run server. Okay, so this is how it will start our local server. Okay, and after that I will copy, we can control and click on this link. Okay, so it is saying, it is showing us two endpoint. One is admin and second one is demo. So demo endpoint created by us, which is responsible to render HTML page. So let's see whether it is able to render or not. So I will write slash demo. When I type here slash demo, so it is saying some error. It is showing some error. So let's see what's the error. Okay, demo.html is there. And here, okay, templates and index.html. Okay, so what is, no, my file name is what? Index.html. Demo is what? My folder name. So that's the reason it is showing error. So what we have to type here, index.html. Okay. So let's check now. Okay, press enter. Okay, so it is displaying now. This is HTML template by Django. So means this text is coming from what? Coming from index.html. Okay, suppose if you want to change the text color, So what you will write is style equals to, and what you will write color. For example, I'm writing here red. So see, whatever change I will do here, it will be reflect here also. Okay, so it is reflecting. So means in this video, what we have learned how we can work with HTML templates. Okay, so we created a dedicated folder for HTML templates. I hope you understood. Okay, let me write. Okay, so I mean, I have written all the steps. Okay, so that's all for today's video. Okay, this is how we can create what? Our HTML templates folder. And this is how we can link, right? So I hope you understood this process to create template folder and how we can render the templates. Okay, in the next video, we will discuss in detail more about the templates. All right, so thank you everyone for watching this video. Sorry for the delay. Actually, I was busy in some work. That's the reason I was not able to continue this Django series. But from now onwards, I will complete this Django playlist. All right, so thank you everyone once again for watching this video.